If you're a designer, you need to know brand design, and that includes your own. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a portfolio video, and it couldn't be easier. We're using Canva, so you don't have to be a video editor. What's great about this is that it shows your branding skill and your work, and it keeps their attention better than static images. Plus, you can customize it for different purposes. To start, you want to include your logo or your name and what you do. For example, brand and digital design. Then you want to give a quick visual example of some of your best work. Think of this as the trailer for the sections ahead. Next, show what sections are going to follow. You can get a little creative here when it comes to these 3 sections. You could choose styles, tools, even clients. Just keep it to 3. So I know this looks crazy, but stick with me. What you want to do is make separate pages in your file. Each page has its own timeline, so you can reorder or remove sections later. Pro tip, create one master portfolio video as a library, then duplicate it and trim it for specific pitches or clients. As for the animation styles, well, I really found that Succession and Baseline were really fun to use. End with your name and include links and contact information. Then use it on your site, YouTube, or resize it for shorts. Here's some tips. Don't spend more than 3 seconds on any single piece. Canva's baseline animation is super effective. Play with speed and reverse on exit. Keep backgrounds subtle so they don't compete with your work. And set up pages for each section so you can change the order or add more later. Hope this makes it easier for you to show your work. Don't forget to like and subscribe.